Right, political news coming in. Aam Aadmi Party going all out against the new BJP government in Delhi on the issue of power outage. Remember, we are heading to the summer season now in Delhi. There are areas already in Delhi reportedly witnessing power cut as the temperature is beginning to rise. Burari in Delhi appears to have reported last night long hour power cuts through the night. Aam Aadmi Party will be raising this issue in the ongoing assembly session. Employees of the electricity department reached the village in the Burari assembly constituency where they found that, because there were complaints of electricity outage, but it led to, we are told, a scuffle with the local residents. The electricity officials also attempted to do a raid but led to some sort of a confrontation. In revenge, allegedly the electricity department cut the electricity from 12 p.m. So there's also that another layer to this coming in, that between the residents and the electricity department officials there was some confrontation that led to, was it a deliberate power outage then? So we'll be tracking that. You can see people are out on the streets late into the night protesting after the commotion followed. So that's the big news coming in. It's a massive war over power outage. Remember that in the national capital Delhi, ahead of summer season, there will have to be preparations made, at least so that to ensure that at least electricity remains. And in Burari, which is more towards the border areas of national capital Delhi, there appears to have been a confrontation, protest. People are out on the streets late into the night. But did the electricity department deliberately cut off the power outage after a scuffle? What exactly happened? We'll try and get more details. We are told residents of Jagatpur village got angry with the officials. There was a commotion. They blocked the road. But Aam Aadmi Party, now in opposition, is ready with a strategy. They want to target the incumbent BJP government led by Rekha Gupta. And remember, one of the big faces of Aam Aadmi Party now in the assembly is Atishi, one of the few big names who managed to retain her seat from Kalkaji. So she's also the leader of opposition, and she will be preparing a strategy to charge at Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and the BJP administration over how, ahead of summer season, people are forced to live without power, without electricity, even during the night. Arvind Ojha joins me for the latest on that. Arvind, तो एक तरफ तो होता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है कुछ घंटों तक, बट लोगों का गुस्सा दिख रहा है बुराड़ी में।
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए, और इस पर लोकल एक इशू है। सोर्सेज बताते हैं कि कुछ इलाकों में बिजली चोरी हो रही थी और इस वजह से जो बिजली डिपार्टमेंट के लोग थे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट के लोग, उन्होंने कुछ देर के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काट दी थी, जिसके बाद लोगों का गुस्सा वहां पर भड़का। लेकिन जो सोर्सेज वो बताते हैं कि इस इलाके में बड़े पैमाने पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की चोरी हो रही थी और इस वजह से जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट है उसने कुछ देर के लिए जो कनेक्शन है वो काट दिया था, जिसके बाद जो लोग सड़कों पर उतर गए थे और उसके बाद उन लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था। पूजा,
Very interesting. So there's another layer coming to it. Was there a case of electricity theft as well that was being raided? We'll be tracking all details, but a political showdown. Expect fireworks in the Delhi Assembly on that. Arvind, thank you very much for now.